They say, never judge a book by its cover. But what about a country? $279,000 islands. So many fjords they ran out of names. And a landscape that makes you feel like you're cycling on the edge of the world. I'm about to take you on a journey into a place that does everything it can not to stand out, not to be noticed, and to never make a noise. But if you listen very carefully, the silence is deafening. 16,000 years ago, a giant block of ice covered the whole of this land. And as it finally started to melt, it left behind wonders that make this coastline the most spectacular on the planet. In this series, we turn the volume to 11 and dig deep into the roots of the people, places and history that this mythical and majestic coastline has to offer.
Suddenly it just kicked in and then just more and more water started pouring down, and then the rocks started falling. It's alive, the valley is alive. My heart is beating. This is incredible! We're going down!
I have worked in this company.
It is unwieldy, unforgiving, and certainly unforgettable.
Just leaving Bergen now. Where am I going? I'm going up the coast. I'm on a boat, but I'll be soon be on a bike.